If you're looking for a powerhouse smartphone that packs a stunning DSLR-like camera and a massive battery backup, Nokia is no longer lagging behind. Nokia has now unveiled a smartphone that comes with an impressive 5-camera setup, including a primary 200-megapixel sensor, and the best part, it's going to be surprisingly affordable. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia Aeon Pro 5G. In today's video, we'll dive into the fully leaked features, price, and launch details of this incredible smartphone. So let's start. Features of Nokia Aeon Pro 2025. Display. First up, the display. This beast flaunts a massive 6.95-inch Full HD Plus LTPO AMOLED panel, with a buttery smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, and a blazing fast 390 Hz touch sampling rate. And guess what? It's rumored to feature an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP69 rating for ultimate durability. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the real showstopper, the camera system. This smartphone rocks a 5-camera setup, headlined by a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel primary sensor. Alongside it, you get 50-megapixel, 24-megapixel, 12-megapixel, and 5-megapixel lenses for unmatched versatility. Oh, and for selfie lovers, a 50-megapixel front camera might be in the works. Performance and OS. Under the hood, the Aeon Pro 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 chipset, ensuring flagship-level performance. And for software, it runs on the latest Android 16 OS, guaranteeing a smooth and futuristic user experience. Battery and charging. Worried about battery life? Don't be. This phone packs a massive 7000 mAh battery, supported by 120-watt super-fast charging. Yes, you heard that right. Plus, it features a Type-C Gen 2 charging port for ultra-quick power-ups. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question, how much will it cost? Rumors suggest it'll be priced around $499, making it a steal for the specs it offers. As for the launch date, nothing's confirmed yet, but stay tuned for updates.